Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my soft peachy pink spring makeup routine. I've been doing this routine for the past few days and I've been loving it, using my Too Faced White Peach palette. I've just been doing my makeup very soft, pinky, peachy and really quite natural. I've not been wearing any eyeliner because in spring and summer I tend to like my eyes to look a bit lighter, so I've just gone for fluttery lashes and kind of glowing skin. I posted this on Instagram the other day and quite a lot of you messaged me saying that you liked my makeup, so thank you so much if you did, and thank you to the girl who commented and said that I looked like Blake Lively. That actually made my day. I'm not at her level, however, I do really like this makeup look and I thought I would share it with you. So if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have already, thank you so much. And if you haven't, please do. I really appreciate everyone who subscribes to me. It honestly means so much to me and I just want to thank you so much. And if you like, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. There's always lots of pink content on there as well, and I'm always on stories throughout the day, so definitely that is a really good way to contact me, so please do follow me on there. So with all that being said, let's just get on with the tutorial. So I'm going to apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I find that I have to use quite a small amount of this though. You don't want to go too crazy because it is very thick and it does clearly blend out quite a lot, so a little bit goes a long way with this product. I just think it makes me look more alive and kind of bright under my eyes, and I really do need that. I tend to find that this blends in nicely with my finger, and then I will just blend out the edges with my foundation brush. I've already got concealer on the rest of my face because I've actually already been out today, and I just popped on some concealer because I wanted my skin to look a little bit more even. I normally start my makeup with my Collection Lasting Perfection concealers in the shades Fair 1 and Cool Medium 2, mix them together and then pop them on my face as I always do, and I just did that again this morning, and now I'm just going in with my under eye concealer. And to set my face, I'm using my favourite powder, the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is the one I've been using forever, and I actually lost my powder brush the other day. I was getting ready for a wedding and I was in a bit of a rush and I honestly just do not know where my brush went, but I've been using the Real Techniques buffing brush instead and it's actually working quite well. It packs on the powder really nicely. I definitely recommend setting your under eyes after using the LA Girl Pro Conceal because it is quite a wet concealer and it has a tendency to crease a little bit under the eyes. And then in order to add a little bit more coverage, I go in with the L'Oreal True Match the Minerals powder, and I use this because it's a little bit darker so it matches my fake tan quite well. I just take a small brush. This is the Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques. It's so battered because this has been in my handbag for years. Like, I just pop this in my handbag and top up my concealer on the go, and it's just such a nice dense brush to pack on some extra coverage. So I'm just applying that over any areas that I need. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. St. Lucia bronzer and blush duo, and I'm going in with the bronzer and I'm being very generous with this. As we know, I love a good bit of bronzer. I just think it makes me look so much more alive. Also helps to make everything look the same colour because I do have fake tan on and I only have it on my neck. I don't have it on my face, so I do need to kind of match everything up to my body. And then I'm applying the blush, and this is such a beautiful peachy pink blush and it's perfect for springtime. And this just matches the eye makeup really nicely because we are going for a nice kind of peachy pink look, and this blush just matches so beautifully with it. Then to highlight, I'm using the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going in with the Carly Bible Original palette, and I think I'm going to use the kind of goldeny shade here, and I'm just tapping that off and just applying that onto the high points of my face. This is a really pretty highlighter and It's just very soft and natural and I like that. And now for my eye makeup, I'm starting off with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, as I always do. I just find my makeup lasts so much better when I use this primer. But I always make sure to set my eyeshadow primer. That's something that I have to do because otherwise I do still get a little bit of creasing. Just taking that Real Techniques contour brush again, and I'm going in with the shade Peach Cream. And I literally just pack this right on top of my eyelid. And I pack it quite densely as well. This eye makeup is so quick and simple, so basically I just take the shade Peach Suede. It's a really pretty matte peachy shade, and I just apply that with the Real Techniques Duo Fibre Crease Brush, and I pop that through my crease and blend that out. Then I go in with the really pretty shimmery shade, and this is the colour Glistening Peach, and I take a kind of dense brush and I'm just applying that right all over the lid, right into the inner corner as well. And then I also like to go in with my finger and pack some of that on a little bit more dense, just to get that shimmer. Then I go in with my finger again in the shade Peach Ice, and I just apply that, kind of mainly focusing it on the inner corner but blending it out slightly into the centre. And then I just go back in with my Deluxe Crease Brush and blend out those edges nice and softly. And then I just go and apply some mascara, and that is literally it for the eyeshadow. It's so simple but looks really, really pretty. Now I popped on some mascara and I filled in my eyebrows. I'm now going to go in with some nude lip liner. I don't really overline my lips, I'm just kind of lining around them. And I think it's important to fill in your lips with your lip liner as well, because I don't like that look of just quite harsh lip liner. Always blend it. And then I'm going in with my lipstick. So the lipstick I'm using is MAC in the shade Plink, and this is one of their luster lipsticks. Literally it is almost finished and I really like this lipstick. It is the only MAC lipstick I actually own. And I do use this one a lot. However, I would like to find a different brand that does the same kind of lipstick. I just want to try a different kind. But it's like the perfect shimmery peachy nude, and it's lovely and moisturising, and it's kind of glossy already, but I do like to add some more gloss on top, so I'm using a 17 Lip Luster. And this is just a kind of pretty pinky peach lip gloss that just goes on top. And then to finish off my makeup, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist. This is my favourite fixing mist. I've tried and tested some other ones, but this is my go-to. You have to make sure that you shake it loads though, because otherwise you do get kind of white powdery patches on your face. And then I just give my face a good spray of this. It's not really a fine mist, but it is good. I do like it. I do think this does help my makeup last longer, and I certainly don't look as oily, so that is a plus, so I really like this. And that is my completed spring makeup routine.